Hey everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today for our Make It in Minutes Monday video, we're going to be making this fun easel card using the Kindest Gnomes bundle, which comes with the Kindest Gnomes Stamp Set and then the Gnomes dies. But then look at this designer series paper. This mushroom house came out of the designer series paper and it's just so cute. So to make this card, what you're going to need is you're going to need the Storybook Gnomes designer series paper. Like I said, the Kindest Gnomes Stamp Set, the Gnomes dies. You'll need these fine sparkle adhesive back gems, and then some basic white cardstock, some Calypso Coral cardstock, and I think that's about it. All the measurements for this card you can find on our blog, and the link to that is in the description of this video. But let's get started making this card. So the first thing that we have is our card base, and so we are going to score at 5.5, and then we're also going to score at 2 3/4. So that's going to give us our second fold. So we're going to fold it once this way, and then the other way we are going to fold it up to give it kind of like that zigzag Z looking fold right there. And then we're taking our bone folder to give it a good crease. And what we're going to do now is we are going to adhere the designer series paper and cardstock to the card. So for the inside of the card, we're going to first put down our Calypso Coral, our DSP. The second layer is going to be, let's see, make sure I got these pieces here correctly. So we have our Calypso Coral down. Then we are going to put the biggest of the two basic white pieces on the center. And then the designer series paper is going to fit up at the top. You should have two smaller Calypso Coral pieces we'll put to the side for now. And then this is going to be the little flap that hangs down once we do that. So let's put this on first before we get to our mushroom front. So now that we have our designer series paper on, I want to mention that when you're cutting the designer series paper, if it's directional, you want to make sure that the longer side at the top is at the top of the mushrooms. And then for this bottom piece, you want to make sure that the longer side is on the right-hand side or next to the mushrooms. So that way you're having that consistency throughout the whole DSP on your card. So moving on to the next part, we are going to adhere our basic white pieces to our smaller Calypso Coral pieces, and then we are going to stamp on them. So now that we have that done, we're going to take our Calypso Coral ink and our stamps. We are going to stamp, actually before we do that, let's adhere our mushroom to the front. I lied, guys. Where did my mushroom go? There it is. It blended in with the designer series paper. That's funny. So we're going to adhere our mushroom on with some dimensionals. Now we're going to take our You Know Me So Well stamp it in the Calypso Coral ink, and then put that right above our mushroom. And then we're going to do the same with Your Kindness Does Not Go Unnoticed, and we're going to stamp that on this piece of paper. Now we're going to add this to our card base. So first I'm going to add our mushroom on, and I am only going to put glue on the top half of our mushroom. And you want to make sure when you're putting this on that you have even space at the top, the bottom, the left, and the right. So just making a mental note of where I think the glue should go. And then that's what I will do, is I will put the glue on the top half and put it on the card base. And then for our smaller piece, that's going to be the easel part that holds the mushroom top of the card up, is we are going to put some dimensionals on the back of this. So now we're going to take our card, we're going to open it up like so, and then we want to make sure that the top goes to the top. So I'm going to maybe do a little trick going like this and then like pinching. Yeah, that works. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this right here because we want it to be hiding behind our mushroom. So we're gonna go like that, and then we're gonna take the bottom, flip it over, press down, and then it should be hidden right behind our little mushroom. The last thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of those fine sparkle adhesive back gems. And there you have it. That's how you make this quick and easy, very bright and fun mushroom cone, gnome themed cone without the gnomes. Super cute. I hope you like it. And if you did, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And if you liked this project, make sure that you're subscribing to our newsletter, because when you do, you get 5 free tutorials. So the link to that is in the description of this video. And I hope you enjoyed this. Catch us next week. Bye.